Good afternoon to you all. The topic of my presentation is improving quality of life of hypothyroid patients with yoga. Hypothyroidism means that the thyroid gland cannot make enough thyroid hormone to keep the body running normally. As thyroid hormone produces the hormone thyroxine, which is responsible for many functions of our body like body metabolism, consumption of heat, oxygen, etc. So low thyroid hormone levels cause the body's functions to slow down, leading to general symptoms like dry skin, fatigue, loss of energy, weight gain, depression, memory problems, etc. Mostly hypothyroidism is treated by replacing the missing thyroid hormone with synthetic thyroxine pills, which the person must take every day for his life. Quality of life is a term used most frequently in the context of healthcare, where the impact of disease may reduce health-related quality of life. It refers to an individual's emotional, social and physical well-being, including their ability to function in the ordinary task of living. Health psychologists are concerned with improving the quality of life of people suffering from chronic diseases so that individuals may live their remaining years free from pain, disability and minimum lifestyle compromises. Hypothyroid disease is a chronic condition in which lifelong medication is needed, but a significant number of patients under medication continue to experience a lot of symptoms even though their thyroid hormone levels return to normal. Most patients report negative impact of hypothyroidism on their quality of life, particularly on energy level, physical capabilities, mood, physical appearance and weight. Nowadays, a lot of people, not only in India, in Western countries also are practicing yoga because of its vast benefits. As it is said that yoga touches everything in life, it is like the sun that brightens everything it comes in contact with. Broadly, yoga is a set of principles and practices designed to promote health and well-being through the integration of body, breath and mind. The gentle stretching and emphasis on breathing reaps immediate rewards in terms of energy, reduction of stress level, flexibility and reduction of muscle and joint stiffness, and much more in terms of peace of mind and general well-being. This study was done to see the effects of yoga on quality of life of hypothyroid patients. 20 hypothyroid female patients, as the hypothyroidism is more common in females and that also of middle age. So 20 hypothyroid female patients in the age range of 35 to 55 years were taken. The pre and post assessment was done by WHO Quality of Life Scale, which is a shorter version of WHO QOL 100. It measures the quality of life for 4 domains that are physical health, psychological health, social relationships and environmental domain. Apart from these 4 domains, it also assesses the overall quality of life and overall perception of health. These 20 patients attended 1-hour yoga sessions daily for a period of 30 days under the expert guidance of an yoga instructor. The yoga package administered for all the patients included basic stretches and loosening exercises for 5 minutes. Asanas that were included were Pavan Muktasan, Matsyasan, Bhujangasan, Kandarasan, Vajrasan and Simhasan for 5 minutes each. Pranayam that were included were Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati, Bhramari, Bhrastika, which were practiced for 3 minutes each, and the Ujjayi Pranayam, which is basically for throat and neck benefits, was practiced for 5 minutes. Jalandhar Bandh was practiced for 5 minutes as it gives pressure to the thyroid area. And lastly, Shavasana was practiced for giving the relaxation. The results which we got are here. On overall quality of life, the pre-therapy scores were 3.1, which improved to 4.4. And on overall perception of health, The mean scores were 3.25, which improved to 4.05. On physical health domain, the patient's mean score was 11.5 prior to therapy, which improved to 14 after the therapy. The patients also reported that they are more energetic now, more mobile, and they are actually enjoying their life now. And there were less muscle aches and pains. On psychological health domain, the previous scores were 11.25, and after the yoga therapy, it improved to 13.6, and patients reported that their negative feelings are less and they are more positive towards their life. On social relationship domain, the previous scores were 12.2, which improved after therapy to 13.9, and on environmental domain, previous assessment was 11.55, which improved to 13.2 after the therapy. All the scores were calculated, and the t-values which we got all the t-values were significant at 0.01 level. We can see through this graph that there was improvement from pre to post therapy sessions. On overall quality of life and overall perception of health also, the patients improved. The conclusion is that yoga therapy was found to be effective in improving the quality of life of hypothyroid patients on all the 4 domains, and overall quality of life and overall perception of health also improved significantly after yoga therapy. The implications of this study may be that yoga can be considered as a complementary therapy with medical therapy in the treatment of hypothyroid disorder. And I would conclude with yoga may not be able to always cure, but it can surely help us to endure. Thank you.